The ruling party Zanu PF has been identified as the main perpetrator of violence across the country in April, followed by the military and the controversial Forever Associates of Zimbabwe FAASI. Sanabina mashoko onekwa kunzi awa Zanu yonekwa kunzi ndo iri kutoonekwa kunzi ndo iri kutovhuna mutemo kutodarika vanhu macitizens asi vari vanoenforsa mutemo. Sanabina mashoko mudanyorwa panapa tobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi mudanyora achiti this was reviewed by the Zimbabwe Peace Project ZPP April 2025 report. The ZPP expressed grave concern over the ongoing political motivated violence, coercion and systemic abuses perpetrated by both state and non-state actors. The Human Rights Watchdog group added that the recorded violations serve as a stark reminder of the urgent need for constitutional reform, enhanced accountability, and the implementation of protective mechanisms. These steps are paramount to safeguarding the fundamental rights of all Zimbabweans. The ZPP warned that without deliberate action to reverse these disturbing trends, the pursuit of sustainable peace, democracy, and justice remains critically undermined. The government, as well as local authorities, have also been implicated as perpetrators of human rights violations. According to the report, ZANU-PF committed over 34% of the total of all human rights violations recorded by the Peace Watchdog in April 2025. Analysis of the data indicates that individuals affiliated with the ruling party ZANU-PF were responsible for 34.1% of the reported violations, the report stated. The ZPP also fingered the Zimbabwe National Army ZNA is one of the main perpetrators of human rights violations, alleging that about 6% of the total rights violations cases were committed by the military. Domashwaruda pangwa ino yatukunwa kunzi aiwa kone kwa kunzi ma violations emutemo pangwa ino they're being motivated nebato rikutonga pamuchete aiwa nemauto. Mashokari kone kwa kunzi the lives of people in Zimbabwe they are at risk. That's because those ones who are in power and enforcing the law ndo vari kone kunzi ndo vari kutovhuna mutemo yacho. Tunze mafukuro enyu moti kundipa musoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu. Kunzana no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.